Mehman Nowruzov, Defense Attaché of Azerbaijan. And as you see, my surname also starts from Nowruz, you know the word. So today, with the support and the great support of Serena Hotel, Islamabad, we are celebrating Nowruz Festival, the festival of the coming spring in Islamabad. And this is the time when the wish to our people and to the world, the people of the world, the peace, stability, and then the prosperity. So with the coming spring, we wish that the field of our lives, the flourishes as the spring that comes. So today we had the stall here. We presented our traditional food that normally we serve during Nowruz festival. So right now you can see that most of the food are gone. So this is some remainings of the gutab and some the sabzi pulaos and some sweets as well. And this is if you see one of the small scenery from Nowruz festival that we are having in Azerbaijan. And here is the Nowruz khoncha, which is the tray that we decorate for Nowruz. So this is in the middle we put samani. It is the symbol of Nowruz, and then all the desserts and also the dry fruits that normally we serve during Nowruz. And so today our message to the world that this in the coming spring, so the security, peace, and stability should be sent as a message to the world. And also another point I would like to add that this year we are celebrating Nowruz first time after 30 years almost. Nowruz we celebrate together with the liberated territories of Azerbaijan, the Nagorno-Karabakh. So first year after 27 years we celebrate Nowruz as a 100% with territorial integrity of Azerbaijan. So therefore this year is very unique for us. So we congratulate all the people of Azerbaijan and also the brotherly people of Pakistan for this coming spring, and we wish all the best. Thank you.